Hello Numberblock fans! Today we're going to make 1 times table from 1 to 10 and I make an extra bonus character is our Numberblock 0. 0 is the first member of every times table, like 2 times table, 3 times table, and so on. 2 lots of 0, 0 lots of 2s are 0, 0 lots of 3s are 0, and so on. But I don't want to make 2 same thing. That's why I use the number block 0 as a bonus in the 1 times table. So the first character is the number block 0, which is the bonus character. 0 has no blocks. She's made out of 0 lots of 1s, which means no 1s. So here's our number block 0. Well, for the next character that we're going to build is number 1. Number 1 has 1 red block, 1 red faceplate, and 1 numbering. No time to, and she loves to find everything for her own. There's our number 1. Well, actually, the numbers 1 times table just building like 1 to 10 or 11 to 20 and so on. But this is not the replay, not replay from 200, not play it again. It's just a temporary. It's just the temporary action. It's temporary video. First, I build 1 times table. Next time, I'll build 2 times table. Don't worry, I'll post you the 200s. Don't worry about it. I'll post for you soon. Anyways, 2 has 2 orange blocks, 1 red orange faceplate, and 1 numbering. He loves everything spare. No time to explain. There's our number block 2. And the next character that we're going to build is 3. So 3 has 3 yellow blocks. It's 2. It doesn't have any space, so I have to find the place to make it more bigger and larger. So we need 2 yellow faceplate there. She loves to entertain everyone. There, here's our number block 3. So the next character that we're going to build is 4. Actually, the numbers, I don't want to post it, but I want to make everything is logical, so I post it again by using 1 to 10. It's not the replay video, it's the temporary video for the number block times table. Anyways, we need 4 green faceplate, 4 green blocks. 1 for his eye, another 1 for his eyebrow, another 1 is for his mouth, and 1 for his cheek. And there's number 4. And 4 loves to make a square. And the next character is 5. 1 0 is 0. But the next video, like 2 times table, I won't post with the number 0 anymore. So anyways, I forget to tell you. 1 0 0 1 is 0. 1 1 is 1. 2 1s are 2. 3 1s are 3. 4 1s are 4. And 5 1s are 5. So we build 5 like this. Here's our number 5. So the next character that we're going to build is 6. 6 has 6 indigo blocks. Well, 6 I build 2 by 3 rectangle formation. We build like this. Actually, I want to buy the another one, but I don't want to waste too much money, so I use the old one again. Well, anyways, we need 6 dark indigo faceplates. We build 6 into 2 by 3 rectangle formation. And 6 loves to play her game. And she loves everyone to play with her pattern pies, you know? And there's our 6. The next character that we're going to build, 7. 7 has 7 rainbow blocks. I hate the rainbow blocks for the number block 7. It breaks into 2 parts. I don't know why, so I use another half for putting the faceplate and numbering like this. And then I link it at later. There. number 7. And then we build number block 8. 8 has eight pink blocks. So we build 8 into 2 by 4 of 4 rows of 2 blocks. So we build 8 like this. 7 is a rainbow, so he's lucky, I forget to tell you. And 8, he's an octoblock, which means he's a superhero Numberblocks. I see he's a hero in every videos. He has 8 tentacles, 6 for tentacle arms, and 2 for tentacle legs. Here's our 8. And the next is our 9. So 9 has 9 3,000 gray blocks. Three blocks are first 3 blocks are dark gray. Second 3 blocks are medium gray, and the last 3 blocks are dark gray. So we build 9 like this. There, here's our 9. And 9 we need 4 faceplates. 1 for his eye, 2nd for his eyebrow, 3rd for his mouth, and 4 for his cheek. Okay. Alright, and then we need a numberling. I thought the numberling was gone. Here's our number block 9. And the last, we build 10. So 10 I built into 2 by 5 rectangle formation. So we build 10 like this. Rare. Done. Well done. And then we call 5 rows of 2 blocks, or 2 by 5. Like this. And then we need 4 faceplates. I hope I will got heroes with 0. Don't worry, I'll surprise you soon. But I don't know what day. Here's our number block 10. 0 ones are 0, 1 is 1, 2 ones are 2, 3 ones are 3, 4 ones are 4, 5 ones are 5, 6 ones are 6, 7 ones are 7, 8 ones are 8, 9 ones are 9, and 10 ones are 10. But there's more. 11 ones are 11, 12 ones are 12, and so on. Well, anyways, there's another way to build the other number blocks, especially the number blocks which can make rectangles. For example, number 4. Well, I replace number 4. I use the 4 green blocks at the 11 to 20 set. So here's another form for number block 4. This is the tall form. And the number block 5. So 5 actually has the another shape, which is 2 blocks wide. So we build her like this. There. This is her form. And then we need 4 faceplates. This is her unpopular shape, because this shape is not so popular at all. Her shape is very popular, is the standing tall. So 5. There's our number block 5. But this is not her popular shape, so I use the taller form instead. Because I don't like the 2 blocks wide. And the 6. Oh yes, I forget to put the dice. This is her dice. 6, we got the another form, which is 1 by 6. So we need 6 faceplates, just like her normal form. So we count from 6 to 1. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here, the 6 into the another form. There. How cute is her shape. Oops. And the another form for number block 8. Number block 8 has the another form, which is 1 by 8 rectangle formation. And then we got 1 pink faceplate. 1, 2, and a number link 8. So here's another form for number block 8. Alright, so the another one is the number block 9. So 9 has 9 types of gray blocks, and I use for 1 by 9 rectangle formation, which is the tall form. So we will 1, 2, 3 details how to build 9. So sorry. So there sorry. Sorry. Here's our 9 and 10, which is the last one. I use 1 by 10 rectangle formation. If I see this, I feel like I want to buy the heroes with zeros, but don't worry, I'll surprise it for you. Here's our number block 10. 1 by 10. Which one do you like? Tall form or normal form? Please leave the comments. So thank you everyone for watching. If you like this video, you can click like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more notifications for my new videos. So which character do you like? 0 to 10? Or any characters that you love? I know you guys love all. So thank you for watching. So see you again next time. Bye bye.